Iwala sa akin tong ID na to.
So ngayon,
Hopping.
island hopping. Hey! Hi! Come here! What's your name? Come here! Come here! So today we are going to the Asian city dito sa Bangkok. Let's check. Asian city. Sana may restaurant. Hello. So, nagbayad na pinakita na namin. And, ay, bakit baliktad?
Wait, do you have any ID with you, babe?
Mag-renta kami ng costume dito.
Very mura lang. It's only 600 baht. Like, super cheap.
Put. Ayan yung rent ko, 600 baht. So cute.
Collection.
So guys, oh my god, it looks very nice. My princesses. Wow! Sawadika! Nananaka! Sawadika!
Marika.
Outfit check! Apak!
Baka hindi sila maniwala na sa akin tong ID na to.
So ngayon, mag-rent kami ng golf cart. At yung ID mo, baka sabihin trans ka dyan, sis. Nakamail yung ID.
Oo. Nandito pa tayo sa Thailand.
So kakain kami ngayon. Monica! Monica! Kakain muna kami as Thai girls. Siyempre, pagka...
Shrimp. Yes. How about you? What are you having?
As Thai girl. Sawadika. So, in-order ko, Thai basil, pork basil with
Or ba yung
fried egg.
smoothie nila dito?
Mas masarap yung saan.
Hindi siya fresh. Parang tang.
Kasi may flavor yata. Ayan. Come goods na us. Napaka-impulsive po nga naman ng friend kong to.
Booking a flight to Phuket. We just discussed it and we're going for it.
So, I guess we're going to Phuket.
Yes, let's go, babe.
Anong feeling na impulsive ka?
Ano feeling na ang kasama mo impulsive?
Parang ang sakit sa bulsa.
Hindi na ako magsasafay.
Diba?
Chill na lang po tayo tomorrow.
Ako din, di na ako mag-cooking class. Putang ina.
Napunta na dito yung budget namin. Matutulog. For dito Saturday, tayo ng sa mga MLs natin kasi wala nang magagala.
Place. So, ayan, magka-drive kami. Ako muna.
Number lah.
Okay.
parking is?
Parking and handbrake.
Where's the handbrake? This is one. So ready na po kami mamatay.
Okay, ha?
Hoy, kalmado ka lang. Huwag ka masyadong ano ha. Huwag ka masyadong excited.
Parang excited ako.
Saan muna tayo pupunta?
Ang map, kunin mo sa bag.
Dire-diretso. It's next to the car park.
May may road signs.
Oh my God, kabilang side pala to, no?
Oo.
We're driving on the left side. Pero yung ano, but then the ano is on the left rin, the cable car. The cable car. The manibela is on the right. Is on the left.
Pero yun nga yung confusing here kasi... What? Let's go, baby! Dito, dito. So we are going to our next destination. Saan tayo?
Drive.
Siya magdadrive. So please pray for us. Char. Go driver.
There, okay, we got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, stop.
Thank you. Thank you. Ito yung mga walang driver's license pa rin.
Pwede naman ako drive. Pero na ako na hindi ako magaling mag-drive. Left
Ay,
or
pwede
right
ka
side?
pala ata
Uy,
dito
baka pwede natin
mag-stay.
i-Google Maps kaya to? Baka pwede natin i-Google Maps? Google Maps natin. Teka. Google Maps.
Yan, suso.
Ano nga?
Water. So, ayan, picture-picture pa rin kami dito sa Asian City.
Oo. So, since picture kami ng picture, I want to ask you, Hani, what did you learn about the ancient city?
That it's very beautiful. It's really, really nice.
And picturesque.
And so, as you can see, this is the old house where they, stayed. And this is the pathway going, wow. Pero ang ganda pala no kung ito yung pathway going to their, house, no?
Oh, I wish I was
Pero feeling ko, mayaman yung nakatira here.
ngayon.
Hindi, syempre before.
Siyempre.
No.
Yung parang ko namin.
Welcome to my house.
Welcome to my house.
Magmimerienda muna kami dito kasi busy pa yung aking inay sa palasyo.
Wow.
Char! Cute! This place is just very nice. Imagine nyo guys, na-preserve nila ang lahat doon. Ang tagal na. It's grabe. How I wish Philippines is the same, but no. This is the entrance of the Ghost Museum. Ayan. So, dito kami. Ang lawak pala na to, guys.
It's really like ghost.
Ay, oo.
Skull.
The Ghost Museum. Welcome to the Ghost Museum. Natatakot ako. It's dark. So, ayun guys, patapos na yung ano namin, Asian City trip. And super nag-enjoy kami. Super mura niya actually, di ba?
Na tayo.
Dito. Ayan. So, patapos na kami and we will end the day by having dinner. Dinner agad? Pero pika-pika siguro. Ganon.
Oo, kasi may hit pa siya.
Ay! Wala po! Ayan. Ganito lang.
Hello guys, today pupunta ako sa mall kasi nawala ko yung contact lens ko. And siguro bibili na rin ako ng swimsuit or something para sa Phuket. Siya. Place na to. Super lapit lang ng mall. As in front lang. So, at least, diba? Si Therese kasi tulog pa. So, sabi niya wag na siya gisingin. So, hindi ko siya gigisingin. Lang yung natira. Medyo gutom ako, pero gusto ko nang kumain, pero hindi, tulog pa si Therese. So, baka ako na lang. Kakauwi ko lang. And mag-rest ako and mag-prepare kasi kikitain namin ni Therese yung friends namin. Mag-dinner kami.